Matthew chapter 1 verse 23, the virgin will be with the child and will give birth to a son, and they will call him Emmanuel, which means God with us. This is a typical example so that Christ himself is divine. Isaiah chapter 7 verse 14 says, therefore, the Lord himself will give you a sign. The virgin will be with a child and will give birth to a son, and will call him Emmanuel. Then Isaiah 9 verse 6, which people read on Christmas Day. For us, to us a child is born, to us a son is given, and the government will be on his shoulders. And he will be called Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, Prince of Peace, so on and so on. Hebrews chapter 1 verse 7a says, in speaking of the angels, he says, he makes his angels winds, his servants flames of fire. But about the Son, he says, your throne, O God, will last forever and ever, and righteousness will be the scepter of your kingdom. Then another OT chapter says, Psalm 45 verse 6, your throne, O God, will last forever and ever. A scepter of justice will be the scepter of your kingdom. Your throne, O God, will last forever and ever. And there are many other biblical references that prove that Jesus Christ is human and divine. Do you have some questions before we conclude? Harriet?
Now, Master, they ask you to explain the divinity of Christ. And we have seen that you have given us like before 5 points, which include very many factors. For example, that Jesus performed miracles. So you write the miracles, all of them, then you go to the authority over nature, you also write like that.
Yes.
So which means you can write in 4 paragraphs, but reading it with data.
Well, there are a number of things that show Jesus Christ is God. They cannot be only, we have mentioned very many points. Christ being what? Does not perform any miracle. Christ performing miracles, you cite different kind of miracles he performed to form 1 paragraph. Remember, the examiner does not require you to give 20 points. But if you give 5, 6, 7 well-explained points, you can earn a lot of marks because 1 point can earn you 3 marks. Second line.
Okay. Master, for me, I just wanted to tell something to teacher Harriet. Actually, as far as essays are concerned, it's all about you to come up with a good essay. You can decide to give 5 points, and other points can explain those points, and you can give they can be contented with that. If not so, you can separate and give 20 points, but it bases on you, what do you want. If you have to make your essay very good, give little points and make them more contented with that. Only that.
Okay. So, whatever we have discovered here, I'm sure you have summarized them in your book. With the help of your handout, okay, we have the humanity of Christ. It has given you detailed examples of what kind of person Jesus is. He had human birth, seed of David, seed of Abraham. He had human ancestry, genealogy of Christ. Okay? In the book of Matthew chapter 1, from verse 1, you find the genealogy of Jesus Christ. All those people were mentioned up to the kingdom of David. Then Jesus had human names. He was Son of Man, Son of Abraham, Son of David, and so on. Then we said the last man, that is Jesus, has experienced the self-following. 1, he had complete human nature. A human being has 3 important aspects. He must have a spirit, he must have soul and body. When you die, what escapes? The soul. It escapes. You become lifeless, but your body remains. So Jesus Christ, when he died, his body remained. And that shows that he is what? A human. Then, he experienced human development. You grew as a child, through from the baby, crawling, breastfeeding, running, When you read some other books apart from the Bible, they say when Jesus used to play with children, they would make a birds out of clay. Then they would throw. That one of Jesus would fly. Then the rest would fall down. This one is from other books.